Hi, I'm Darcy Nolan, school captain of Scots PGC College, and I just watched this session today. It was very good. The paperclip challenge was very fun. We got our minds working very well. Yeah, it was good.
Hi, name's Tyler Kratzer. I'm one of the Industrial Tech and STEM teachers here at Scots PGC College. I thought the session that we just had with the kids was fantastic, provided great insight into both the history of industrial revolution and technology, but also giving kids very good practical pathways, I guess, and ideas to think about as far as the advancement of technology and where we're going and where that might take them in their careers.
Hi, my name is Melissa Bellingham. I'm the Partnerships and Enterprise Manager here at Scots PGC College. I just want to say feedback from the presentation we've just had. It was amazing. There was a lot of great information that Rashan's shared with our students regarding different pathways and how to look at all the opportunities out there for advanced manufacturing. It was great. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Angela Britton. I'm the Head of STEM here at Scots PGC. I really enjoyed this session today, particularly the emphasis on design thinking and what students needed to be able to do as they move forward into the workforce. And it parallels with what we're trying to do here at the college, so it was really beneficial.